Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see that I'm in my Rakhi outfit today and I'm going to create a Rakhi look. So let's get started. And I hope that you guys enjoy my videos. So for this hairstyle you need a comb, a few floral accessories and a few pins. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm gonna comb my hair just the way I do and part my hair into the ear to ear section and then make it tangle free. And then I'm going to start my braid by taking a 1-inch section and divide it into 2 parts. And then I'm going to take a little bit of section from the front and add it to the back, and then take another section from the back and add it to the front. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps while adding new section to the hair from the front as well as from the back. So as you can see that I'm just adding a little few pieces from the front and adding another section to the back, and then taking another section from the back portion and adding a new section to the front piece of my hair, and make sure that the other hair is out of your way, and just keep on adding the hair from front to the back as I'm doing here, and then from back to the front. And make sure that your braid is really neat and tight. So you just have to do the same steps, repeat it all over again till the end of your braid. So I'm going to fast forward the video so that it doesn't get too long. And if you need a detailed tutorial of a fishtail braid, let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to recreate another hairstyle with a fishtail braid. So as you can see that I am taking all the hair till the ear and braiding it till the end. And make sure that the braid, while you're braiding, you are also detangling your hair till the end, and just make sure to loosen it up a bit to make it look bigger, and then braid another halfway till the end by taking the braid at the front, because it's easier to see the braid, and then loosen it up till the end. Just look how big it gets. And then on the other side I'm going to repeat the same steps, taking 1-inch section, dividing it into 2, and then keep on adding one section to the another and another section to the front, and keeping all the hair aside. Add on the hair to the front and then take another section from front and add on to the back piece, and then keep on adding till the end of your braid. So I'm going to fast forward the same process. Just take sections and keep on adding to the another section, and don't forget to keep it really tight and neat. And also don't forget to keep the front pieces away to frame your face, and then loosen it up a bit to make it look bigger and voluminous. And again keep on braiding by taking your braid at the front so that it's easier for you to see. And also don't forget to have a steady hand while making the braid, otherwise it will be messy. And look how big it has got. I really loved it. And now I'm going to pin it up at the back at the center of my head from both the sides. Pin it really tight and secure it, and then take another section at the center, and I'm going to repeat the same fishtail braid, and also make sure to pull a few pieces outwards to make it look voluminous and give dimension to your braid, and then secure it with a rubber band, and then make a circle out of it just the way I'm making it here, and pull the end through the braid and secure it tightly with the bobby pins. So pin it up so that it doesn't lose its grip, and also just accessorize it with a few floral pins, and just look how gorgeous it has been for the Rakhi day. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and don't forget to frame your face from the front. I really loved the look. I hope you guys also do. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.